Traveling is a thrilling experience that expands our horizons and brings joy to our lives in numerous ways. Yet this adventure can be accompanied by its share of stress and obstacles, particularly in the realms of planning, packing, and navigating unfamiliar landscapes. Fret not, fellow adventurers. We have compiled a list of game-changing travel hacks to streamline, simplify, and elevate your travel experience. Once acquainted with these strategies, there's no turning back. 12. Download the offline Google Maps for easy access. Ensure to download maps and use them offline when traveling, as continuous internet access may not be available in a new country. While offline maps may have limited features compared to online ones, they prove invaluable for navigation in unfamiliar cities. This straightforward travel hack helps prevent getting lost during your journey. To download offline maps on Google Maps, open the app, zoom in to select the desired area, search for the city map, and click on the Download Offline option. This allows you to access the marked area even with intermittent internet or in airplane mode. Remember to download offline maps when you have access to a reliable internet connection. 11. Avoid exchanging currency at the airport. While it might seem convenient to exchange money for local currency at the airport, it's advisable to avoid doing so unless absolutely necessary. Airport exchange rates are generally known to be less favorable due to higher overhead costs incurred by exchange bureaus. Opting to exchange money at a bank or a reputable bureau in the city can often result in better rates. However, if exchanging money at the airport is unavoidable, do so only for the minimum required amount. Alternatively, you can explore the option of using a credit or debit card that doesn't impose foreign transaction fees and offers favorable exchange rates. This proves to be a convenient and cost-effective method for accessing local currency during your travels. 10. Get credit cards that give you free access to airport lounges. Traveling often comes with significant expenses, especially if financial considerations are not handled diligently. It is widely acknowledged that airport food can be excessively pricey. A savvy approach to saving money while on the move is to consider acquiring a travel credit card that provides access to airport lounges. By doing so, you not only gain the benefit of complimentary food and drinks, thereby cutting down on costs, but you also enhance the overall travel experience. This practical money-saving travel hack not only offers financial relief, but also transforms your wait time into a more enjoyable and comfortable experience within the confines of an airport lounge. This becomes particularly advantageous during extended layovers, making the investment in a travel credit card with lounge access a valuable addition to your travel strategy. 9. Pack a travel first aid kit. It's essential to have a basic first aid kit when traveling. Include common medications such as painkillers, antihistamines, and stomach remedies in a small pouch or bag for easy carrying. This ensures that for minor health concerns during your holiday, you won't need to urgently seek medical help. While medications are widely available worldwide, obtaining basic ones without a prescription can be challenging in some countries. Additionally, medications may go by different names in various regions. 8. Download the Google Translate to deal with the language barrier. Overcoming language barriers in a new country can be challenging. Google Translate emerges as the ultimate stress-free travel hack for communication issues during your journey. Before visiting a country where a different language is spoken, download Google Translate. This versatile tool allows you to type or use a microphone to translate your expressions. It also features a camera function that uses your phone camera to translate text via augmented reality. Simply point your phone camera at the text you want to read, and the app translates it into your preferred language. This invaluable resource proves indispensable in addressing language barriers while exploring foreign lands. 7. Use packing cubes to keep your luggage organized. Packing cubes revolutionize the way you maintain organization within your luggage. Beyond enhancing the efficiency of packing, these lightweight organizers play a crucial role in simplifying the unpacking process. By neatly compartmentalizing your belongings, packing cubes not only facilitate easy access, but also streamline the search for essentials upon reaching your destination. Embracing these handy accessories ensures a well-organized and hassle-free travel experience, allowing you to make the most of your journey without the stress of rummaging through a cluttered suitcase. 6. Always carry the travel universal adapter. Various countries utilize distinct types of electrical plug points, creating potential compatibility issues for your electronic devices. To circumvent this concern, a universal adapter proves invaluable, eliminating the need for multiple country-specific converters. Investing in a high-quality universal adapter designed to work across various countries ensures seamless compatibility for your gadgets. Additionally, many modern adapters come equipped with USB ports, offering added convenience and versatility for charging multiple devices simultaneously. This travel essential not only simplifies your packing process, but also guarantees that your electronic devices remain powered and ready for use, regardless of the destination's plug point variations. 5. Carry an extra charger and portable charger. Always have a spare charger and a portable charger for your phone when you travel. Pack them in your carry-on bag or purse for easy access during your journey. This simple yet effective travel hack ensures you're never stranded with a dead phone. Carrying an additional phone charger is essential, as your phone plays a crucial role in navigation, capturing memories, and staying connected with loved ones while traveling. Having a backup charger guarantees your phone stays charged and ready for use, even if you misplace or damage the original one. Don't forget to bring a portable charger or power bank, especially on long travel days, for added convenience. 4. Learning a few basic phrases always helps. Consider familiarizing yourself with some essential phrases in the language of the country you're visiting. While mastering a new language in a short time may not be feasible, learning a few key expressions can serve as a friendly introduction with the locals. This effort enhances communication, making your travel experience more enjoyable. Remember, cultural exchange is an integral part of the journey. Invest time in acquiring basic words and phrases like greetings and expressions of gratitude in the local language. 3. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to use public Wi-Fi. It is strongly advisable to utilize a VPN, virtual private network, during your travels. This security measure enhances data privacy and protects your information when using public Wi-Fi networks. Many travelers rely on public Wi-Fi in places like airports, coffee shops, and hotels, but these networks can pose a threat to sensitive personal data, including login credentials and financial details. A VPN encrypts your internet activity, making it challenging for anyone to intercept and access your data. Additionally, VPNs offer the benefit of a new IP address, safeguarding your online identity and location. Ensure that the VPN network you select is operational in the country you plan to visit for comprehensive protection. 2. Keep offline copies of essential travel documents or reservations. Maintaining an offline backup of essential documents such as your passport, visa, flight tickets, vaccination records, and other travel-related paperwork is crucial. These backups can take the form of physical copies or saved offline on your mobile device, ensuring accessibility even without an internet connection. Additionally, it's prudent to email these documents to yourself before embarking on your journey. If you are prescribed any medication, it is advisable to carry a copy of the prescription with you while traveling. 1. Travel during shoulder season to save money and avoid massive crowd. While many believe peak seasons are the ideal times to travel, savvy travelers recognize the advantages of choosing the shoulder months, occurring just before or after the typical tourist peaks. Often falling in spring or autumn, these periods not only offer more economical deals on accommodations and flights, but also provide a respite from crowds. Although the weather during these times may be somewhat unpredictable, this approach is a well-established and favored travel hack among experienced globetrotters. Opting for shoulder seasons usually means there's less urgency to make advanced reservations for accommodations and tours. Always keep in mind, travel is about discovering new destinations, immersing yourself in different cultures, and relishing the experience. These travel hacks are designed to enhance your journey, ensuring you make the most of your trip and savor your time away from home. Embrace these tips to turn your travels into unforgettable adventures. Safe journey. Please like and subscribe to see more amazing videos like this.